Lucianito, what are you opening today?
A Lanky box toy.
Lanky box toy. All right, go ahead and open it up. You got that for your birthday?
Yep.
So we already opened some of it. First package.
It's a fidget.
What is it?
A fidget.
Let me zoom into that. Oh, it is a fidget. Very cool. Next, you get, how many prizes do you get in that box?
4.
4. That was the first one.
Now, second one. I don't know what's in here.
I wonder what's in that one.
I think these are stickers. There we go. It's a sticker, Foxy.
Let's see. Let me see the sticker. Oh. What does that say? You can win. Okay, so you got a sticker. Oh my gosh. I'm going to ruin your teeth, buddy.
Mommy! Okay, now time for the
Third
prize.
Third prize.
Whoa! They're minifigures!
What is it? Minifigures? Open them up. Let's check out which ones they are.
They're baby versions.
They're gold. Those are cool.
But they're babies. See, there's a little diaper.
Let me see. How cute.
Let's see this one. That is Foxy. Now this one's Boxy.
Cute.
Now the last
All right.
one.
Last prize.
Wait, is this 2? Oh, it's 1.
Just one, okay.
Is this sticker? Can you help me open it? I don't bite my teeth.
Oh, hold on. Oh, look, I'm sorry. There you go.
Now it's time to open it. Whoa, what's this?
Oh, you got a lanyard. It's a lanyard. Let me see. Very cool. You got a Lanky lanyard. You can put your house keys on that.
That's all of it.
And that's what Luciano got in his Lanky surprise box.